Hello! That's a very enthusiastic hello, wasn't it? But I am child free, so maybe that's why. Yeah, child free. Ollie's decided that him and Grace are going to have a daddy-daughter day, so I'm making the most of it. I have arrived after 2 hours of driving at Upper Wharfedale. I had to drive through quite a few floods to get here, but I'm excited for a nice long walk with just me and my camera. I keep on trying to pick moments where the wind isn't quite as strong. It's not going all too well. I think, well, I'm not going to lie, I'm struggling. We'll try again later. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me better now. Not too sure. I've had to give up on the journey I was going to go on. Not that I had any idea where I was going to go on, so it's probably for the best, otherwise I would have ended up lost in the wilderness, recreating Jungle Book but in the Dales. And it kept on raining. Now, I've only just bought my camera. I don't quite fancy testing how it is in heavy rain yet. So plan B, which might be go back to the waterfalls where I parked up. I've shot them before, but I've learned a lot and my photography's grown massively, so challenge myself more. What I was trying to say earlier is struggling quite a bit because the light is quite bright, where right now it has dimmed down quite a lot, thankfully, and I don't have my polarizer filter or any UV filters, or any f-stop filters for that matter, because I've left them at home, and that massively hinders me being able to take any waterfall pictures in such bright light. Whew. I'm really unfit. I've not even been walking that long and I feel like I've ran a marathon. Right, I'm going to head back to the car, come up with plan B, possibly stopping for a coffee, and I'll let you know. Okay. Okay, so I've gone with plan B, and I'm shooting a waterfall that I've not shot before. I'm currently recording this on my camera tripod and my iPhone, so I'm hoping the wind doesn't blow my phone into water, fingers crossed. I'm using a makeshift tripod with the wall because there's currently wiring between me and the waterfall, which is stopping me from getting the composition I want. I am struggling with the composition slightly. I think if I could get beyond this wall it would be great, but I'm guessing the wall's here and the ground that I can see in front of me doesn't look all that sturdy. Okay, so I'll show you what I've taken now. So I've just returned home. Plan B didn't go quite as well. However, before we finish the video, here's the photographs we took today. Okay, bye bye.